Good morning, you mates. Today is the 1st of August 2022. It's a Monday. Now, do you remember I said the barn was supposed to be completed by middle of July? It's still not quite done. Well, it is. The builders have done everything. We've just got the finishing touches. So we are having to move in here today. So we're actually locating stuff in here today. And we have customers arriving with their motorbikes by Thursday. I've got a customer coming in from Norway, actually, arriving on Thursday, and his bike is staying with us for 2 days whilst we're doing a ton of work to his bike before he heads up to Scotland. This is a very popular thing, actually, which people are doing now. We've got a customer from Sweden. We've got 2 customers from Netherlands, man and wife, coming over in a couple of weeks as well, and having their bikes all kitted out, and they'll be able to enjoy what we have inside here. Now, it's not finished, but it will be finished throughout the month of August with all the finishing touches. So let me take you inside and show you what it's like so far. Here we are inside. I'm actually standing inside the Ride and Grind coffee bar area. So the actual bar is just behind the camera, well, the camera's actually sat on it, and this is going to be the lounge area that I'm standing in now. My office desk will be just the other side of that door, still inside this room, so I can see everything going on. And if you look down here, we've got our brand new King Dick tools. If you haven't heard of King Dick, I'm sure you have. They are probably one of the top spec tools that you can get on the market with a full lifetime guarantee. We're going to be selling these tools as well, so watch out on the website if you wanted to buy one of these full tool chests of King Dick tools, but we've made it a little bit special. They're not just King Dick tools, they are King Dick Tools A Bike Thing Edition tools, because we actually use a completely different brand of tools called Motor Hansa tools, which are also got a lifetime warranty. They're on the website now. You can buy them just in a roll bag, small enough to fit inside your luggage for when you go on your road trips. They are the essential toolkit for any BMW and KTM, in my opinion. They'll fit other bikes as well, but they've got all the common torque sizes in there. So check those tools out on the websites. But if you're wanting to kit out your workshop, your garage with an absolute pucker set of tools, so you've got the Motor Hansa tools in a special drawer, 2 drawers which we've had kitted out especially for it in this King Dick tool chest. And then you've got all the King Dick tools as well, which are going to be great tools for every other bike out there, just general workshop tools. Then all of this has got a lifetime warranty, and we're selling all of those on the website. The tool chest, if you're watching this right now, as in like August the 1st, well then it won't be on the website yet. We still need to get all the specification on there so you know what you're buying. Anyway, this is it. It's not completely finished, but I just wanted to get a video out there just to show you that it's all coming together. But the reason I wanted to get this video out today is because to tell you about the new fitting page. Now, for the last 2.5 years, I've been doing installations on people's bikes, and I've never actually advertised it. So people have just had the intuition to contact me via email and say, Steve, I've seen you doing all these videos, can I bring my bike to you? And that's basically kept my diary booked up all year round. Now, if you've been watching intently, you'll know that we've now got Tom on board. Tom's been working with us now for over 2.5 months. He knows BMW and KTM's pretty much inside out, and he's just as meticulous as I am when it comes to installations. So if you go on the website, you'll see we've got a fitting link at the top of the page. Now, if you click on that fitting link, it'll give you a little summary of what we're doing here, but you've also got a booking in calendar. So you can see everything in orange is already pre-booked by customers who have already secured those dates. But if there's a date on there that's in pale white, well then that is an available slot barring the weekends. So we're not doing weekend installations. Well, we're not yet. I can't see any reason why we will be in the future either, but weekday bookings, go on there and you'll see what's available. Email us, fill in the form, tell us what bike you've got, tell us what you're wanting to have done, and then we can come back to you with a bespoke quote specifically for your bike and the products that you want to have fitted to it. So we're properly geared up for this now. The area I'm in right now, we've actually got 2 customers here coming here this week who are going to be sitting in here, putting their feet up, drinking our lovely coffee. It looks like we're not ready for it yet, but we will be, we will be. So there's quite a few things I haven't shown you yet, and I won't be showing you until the great reveal, because there's so much more that's going to be coming for all the finishing touches, like the signage, the coffee machine, the furniture, all the merchandise, all the display stands we've got arriving. It's going to be properly kitted out, and obviously loads of motorbikes in here as well. So it's going to be a proper setup. But if you've been watching over the last couple of years, you'll see that it's come on so far from where it was 18 months ago when we moved in. I think the builders have done a fantastic job. Would you not agree? So later today, Tom and myself, we've literally cleared our diary for the next 2 to 3 days to make sure we can get all of the racking in the storerooms assembled. Now you'll notice the room at the very end and the room just in here, they are completely secure. There's no doors externally and no windows. So this is where all of the stock will be, just so we are completely secure here. The only doors into this property are these great big steel doors. They look like they're wood, but they're not. They are heavy, thick steel doors with wood cladding on the front and the back. We've got underfloor heating going throughout the whole of the workshop, so it's always going to be nice, warm and cozy in here during the winter months, and in the summer we've got skylights all across the top of the building as well, so we can keep it nice and cool in here. I'm dead excited by it all. It's a shame it's not finished yet, so I can show you it right now, but later this month I will bring you a total reveal video showing you it all in full swing with the staff here working, people drinking coffee, so you can get a feel of what this place is like. Can you tell I'm very excited? By the way, I've had to get up at the crack of dawn this morning. It's 6:30 in the morning right now, just before the builders get in, because the builders like to get here nice and early. So I just wanted to get here so I can quickly get this video content done. But whilst I've got your attention here, I just want to tell you about a few other exciting things. So since the Adventure Bike Rider Festival that was in June, we've had so much development going on here. That was like a huge networking function for me, where I've managed to meet other suppliers, other manufacturers, where we can bring more exciting things to you. Some of the things I can't talk about just yet because certain contracts haven't been signed. All I can say is I've got a really exciting new brand which is going to, I just feel like over the next 2 or 3 years, you might see this brand take over Quadlock. So, well, put it this way, as soon as I saw it and I had it in my hand, I took all my Quadlock stuff off my bike and off my phone, and I'm using this stuff today. It is so damn good. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that video, because as soon as I have permission to start selling this stuff and stocking it, and it's going in that direction, then you're going to be the first ones to know about it right here. These guys are just moving into the mobile phone holder, charger kind of area of the marketplace, but they're very, very big in the camera world at the moment. But really, really exciting stuff. Other stuff I want to mention very quickly is we signed up with Cardo Pack Talk about a month ago, so we are holding, right now we've actually got all of the Cardo inventory here, including the new Edge. So we've got the Spirits, I can't remember what they're all called now, but we've got the Spirit HD, Freecom, but say we've got the new Cardo Edge here as well, which I currently have on my helmet today. It's a really cool piece of kit. So all I can say is if you are filling your basket with Denali, Hex products, the usual stuff that we sell, and you want to pop in that Cardo headset into your basket, well then go for it. I'm making this decision right now whilst I'm on camera. They are at a recommended retail price because I'm not very big on doing discounts just on one-off items. But if you put any Cardo intercom system into your baskets when you are buying any A Bike Thing bundle, so make sure you go on the website and you are viewing A Bike Thing bundles, well then we will give you 10% off that Cardo intercom system. Almost looks like I'm superimposed onto like on like a green screen, but I really am not. Look. All this space is going to be great. It won't be like this for long, not when we've got all the bikes in here. Oh, and the other thing I really want to show you, but I'm not going to show you right now until we do the grand reveal, is the toilet, bathroom, restrooms, whatever you want to call it in whatever part of the world you're in. We've got some really cool restrooms. I always find that when you go to a really nice restaurant, you find that they have quite spectacular restrooms, something pretty cool going on. So all I can say is I've done something a little bit different just to give it that biker edge. So make sure you stay tuned for the next video where I do the total reveal, where you see everything working in full swing and the toilets are fully operational. Sounds so strange, doesn't it? Oh yes, and not only that, I literally have a room in my house full of stuff to come in here, including brand new wall lights that we've had specifically made by a local, he doesn't like to call himself a blacksmith, but he is a blacksmith, but he manipulates metalwork. So when I post the next video showing the grand reveal, I will show you those lights on the walls. They're very bike orientated, and they're a branded bike thing as well, where we had it kind of like laser burnt into the oak base. And we're probably going to make those available as well. If you really love them and you wanted to buy one of these for your office, your workshop, well then we'll probably make these available towards the end of the year. I think there might be quite a nice Christmas gift or something like that for a lot of you out there. On that note, let's crack on with the day. You guys have a great day, and until next time, stay safe behind those bars, and I'll see you in the next video.